Raw pigments and luxury waxes are blended into a perfect molten red. Automated hoppers gravity feed the precision mixture into the processing heart of the factory. A temperature-controlled tunnel sets the lipstick bullets into a solid, flawless shape. Robotic arms perform a ballet of precision to place the bullet into its golden casing. High-pressure machinery secures the final cap with an airtight, satisfying lock. The finished lipstick units move along the line like gems on a conveyor. Advanced laser scanners inspect every surface for the slightest imperfection. A final automated sorting process carefully stacks the lipsticks for shipping. Molten residue is cleared away at intense heat to keep the system pristine. Behind the scenes, a complex network of pneumatics powers the factory's relentless motion. Streaks of vibrant color mark the sheer scale of a single production cycle. Calibrated gauges monitor the intense pressure and flow of the filling operation. A single empty tube waits in the silence, prepared for its vibrant transformation. The lipstick mixture pours like liquid velvet into the precision-engineered molds. High-tech gantry cranes manage the vast inventory of components with silent efficiency. Automated labelers apply final branding touches with sub-millimeter accuracy. Internal rollers keep the factory pulse consistent and endlessly reliable. A perfectly uniform tray of hardened lipstick bullets awaits its assembly. Massive ventilation fans maintain the extreme purity required for cosmetic production. Hydraulic presses transform flat metal into the perfect lipstick shell. An automated control panel monitors every stage of the production cycle. Liquid dyes are measured with scientific precision to ensure exact color consistency. A rhythmic line of lipsticks reflects the brilliance of the factory lights. Intricate plastic gears are engineered for a smooth, reliable twist mechanism. Thermal sensors keep the cooling environment at the ideal temperature for quality. The final packaging is completed by robotic arms with gentle, calculating hands. Microscopic inspections ensure that only perfection reaches the retail shelf. The vast facility breathes with the rhythm of essential, invisible infrastructure. Repetitive stress tests guarantee the durability of every twist and turn. Finished inventory sits in orderly, beautiful rows awaiting final distribution. A final heavy drop of wax signals the end of a successful batch. Proactive cleaning jets keep the line sterile and free of any debris. Digital data tracks every millisecond of the complex chemical mixing process. Assembly lines hum in perfect synchronization, creating a mesmerizing industrial flow. Precision inkjets ensure every logo is printed with absolute clarity. The central power hub drives the unwavering energy of the entire factory. Every unit in the inspection tray confirms the factory's commitment to quality.
We need that wrap now.
The sealed warehouse protects
Bring
the final
forklift
product
around.
until it leaves
Careful
for
with
the
the
world.
boxes.
As morning light touches the building, a new day of production begins.
Scale and
The
dedication
factory stands
of this
as a
facility
masterwork of modern
keeps the
industrial
world
beauty and
supplied with the
engineering.
finest cosmetic products.